DIY banana face mask for fair and glowing skin at home. Hello everyone, welcome to Natural Beauty Tips. Bananas are happy fruits. They cleanse our skin and make it fully soft and supple. Moreover, it helps in improving the skin conditions. They also gives it a really good glowing and a brightened look. There are a lot of remedies to make a banana face mask with the fusion of other equally beneficial natural ingredients. You may also apply banana mash as it is own, and it's guaranteed to show you good results. You can get to know some of the best tips to make a really easy and really effective banana face mask at home, all naturally and easily at home. Method to make a banana face mask at home. These are the steps that are required to be followed. First of all, cut a banana into a half and peel off its skin. Mash it well into a bowl. Next, add in 1 teaspoon of gram flour into the bowl. Now, add in about 1 pinch of turmeric into the bowl as well. Add in half a teaspoon of honey into the bowl as well. Also, add in the juice of half a lemon into it. Lastly, add in 1 teaspoon of curd into the bowl and mix all the ingredients well together till they're fully combined. Apply the mask on the face and neck and leave it to dry for as long as it takes to dry. Wash it off with cold water and pat the skin dry. So, here are the steps that are required to be followed to make a banana face mask at home. All naturally and easily. Pass on this recipe in your social circle. And urge more people to take advantage of this wonderful recipe. Thank you. Welcome to our Facebook page. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and find out to one place on our official website.